Hello everyone. Whether you're giving your laundry room a makeover, or it's simply time to upgrade your old washing machine and dryer, opting for a washer-dryer set is definitely the way to go. Not only do these sets provide a cohesive look to your space, but they also often come with corresponding cycles that are optimized when used together. To assist you in finding the perfect model, we've rounded up the top 6 washers and dryers, highlighting their key features and providing insights into what you should consider before making your decision. You can find links to all the products mentioned in the video description below, so let's dive right in. Number 5. Electrolux Smartboost front-load washer and stackable electric dryer. It totally blew us away during our testing. First off, let's talk about how user-friendly it is. The intuitive settings make it a breeze to navigate, and I love how the display panel keeps all the important info right at your fingertips. Things like temperature, soil level, and spin speed. Plus, the oversuds protection feature on the washer is a lifesaver, although we hardly needed it because there was zero detergent residue after a wash. Now, let's talk dry time. With the auto-sensing feature, this dryer detects wet clothes and adjusts the dry time accordingly. It's seriously efficient. Even with heavy towels or cloth diapers, it gets the job done in no time. Speaking of cloth diapers, if you're a parent, you'll appreciate how clean and fresh they come out of this machine. And for those inevitable spit-up emergencies, there's a 15-minute fast wash option that's a total game changer. Now, on to the aesthetics. We went with the gray option, which looks sleek and modern, but be warned, we did notice some scratches on the tops of the machines from our laundry basket. It's a minor issue, but something to keep in mind. As for the controls, while there's no fancy app or push-button display, the digital screen on the dial is super easy to use. And I love that you can toggle through the settings to find the most eco-friendly options for each load. Now, let's address the noise level. These machines aren't whisper quiet, but they're not obnoxiously loud either. And I actually like that they play a little tune when the cycles are done. It's like a friendly reminder to switch the laundry. It comes with a price tag approximately $1,196. Overall, the Electrolux Smartboost washer and dryer are a fantastic investment for anyone looking to upgrade their laundry game. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. My score for this is 8.4. Number 4. LG WashTower Laundry Center. If you're living in an apartment or condo, this one's for you. So, what exactly is a laundry center? It's basically a vertically stacked washer and dryer that functions as a single unit, making it perfect for smaller spaces. Unlike stackable sets, where the washer and dryer are separate appliances, the laundry center is all in one. Now, let's talk about the LG WashTower. First off, can we just take a moment to appreciate how sleek and modern it looks? This thing is definitely a head-turner. And it's not just about looks, it's packed with features too. The front-loading washer is a game-changer, offering 4.5 cubic feet of drum space. That's on par with many standalone washing machines, so you won't have to sacrifice load capacity. And the dryer? It's got 7.4 cubic feet of room, so you'll have plenty of space for all your laundry needs. But here's where it gets really cool. AI fabric sensors. These babies automatically detect the texture and load size to select the right cycle for you. No more guessing or manual adjustments. One of the things I love most about the LG WashTower is the central control panel. Unlike other laundry centers or stackable sets where the controls can be hard to reach, LG put everything right in the center of the tower, at about countertop height. It's super convenient and easy to use. It comes with a price tag approximately $1,998. Overall, if you're looking for a space-saving laundry solution that doesn't skimp on style or features, the LG WashTower is definitely worth checking out. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. My score for this is 8.7. Number 3. GE UltraFresh Vent System Washer and Electric Dryer. Let me tell you, this pair is an absolute game changer. Can we just take a moment to appreciate how sleek and stylish they look in that gorgeous sapphire blue color? It's like a breath of fresh air for your laundry room, literally. But here's where it gets really cool. The UltraFresh washer. Say goodbye to musty smells with its unique venting option that automatically dries the drum and door seal after each cycle. No more worrying about leaving the door open or drying the drum by hand. It's like magic. And let's talk about convenience. The smart dispense system holds an entire 50-ounce bottle of liquid detergent, so you can say goodbye to measuring with each load. Plus, The dispenser's wide opening makes it a breeze to fill. No messes here. But wait, there's more. Both the washer and dryer are Wi-Fi enabled, so you can monitor and adjust cycles right from your phone. And how cool is it that they're voice enabled too? Just ask Alexa or Google Assistant to start a load, and you're good to go. And do not forget about the dryer. With its extra large capacity and speedy yet gentle cycles, it's perfect for even the largest loads. Plus, the steam feature is a game changer for getting rid of wrinkles in a flash. It comes with a price tag approximately $1,550. Overall, the GE UltraFresh washer and dryer are a dream come true for anyone looking to upgrade their laundry game. Trust me, once you try them, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. My score for this is 9. Number 2. Samsung Extra Large Capacity Smart Front Load Washer and Dryer. If you're tired of doing multiple loads of laundry or constantly having to rerun your dryer, this set is for you. With an impressive 5 and 7.4 cubic foot capacity, this washer and dryer from Samsung can handle a ton of laundry in one go. Plus, they look sleek and modern, adding a touch of style to your laundry room. Now, let's talk about the washer. With 12 preset cycles and 5 spin speeds, it's super versatile. And the steam cleaning feature? It's a game changer for removing stains without pre-treatment. Plus, with the super speed option, you can run a full load in as little as 28 minutes. Talk about efficiency. With sensor drying, you can say goodbye to worrying about whether your clothes are dry or not. And the presets, like the sanitizing cycle and multi-steam cycle, are perfect for tackling different types of laundry. Oh, and did I mention they're Wi-Fi compatible? That's right, you'll get phone notifications when a cycle is complete, and you can even troubleshoot issues right from your phone using Smart Care. It comes with a price tag approximately $850. Overall, the Samsung Extra Large Capacity Smart Front Load Washer and Dryer are a total game changer for anyone looking to streamline their laundry routine. Trust me, once you try them, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. My score for this is 9.4. Number 1. LG WM4000 and LG DLX4000 Washer and Dryer Combo. First off, let's talk about the washer, the WM4000. It's an absolute powerhouse when it comes to cleaning. It tackles stains like a champ while still being gentle on fabrics. Plus, it can wash loads significantly faster than your typical high-efficiency washer, saving you time and energy. And can we talk about the variety of wash settings? From stain-loosening pre-wash options to super hot temps and extra rinses, this washer has it all. Plus, it's got a huge capacity, runs quietly, and is super efficient with water and energy. But here's where it gets really cool. The Wi-Fi connected features. You'll get notifications when your cycle is done, maintenance alerts, and even the ability to start your washer remotely. And the LG ThinQ app? It's intuitive and full-featured, making laundry day a breeze. Now, onto the dryer, the DLX4000. It dries loads faster than most other dryers we tested, which is a huge plus. And the best part? It's stackable with the washer, saving you space in your laundry room. But, I'll be honest, there are a couple of downsides. The control panels can be a bit tricky to use in dim lighting, and LG's customer service isn't the best. But hey, with their track record of low repair rates, chances are you won't even need to worry about it. It comes with a price tag approximately $899. Overall, if you're looking for a washer and dryer combo that's efficient, reliable, and packed with features, the LG WM4000 and DLX4000 are definitely worth checking out. Trust me, once you try them, you'll never look back. My score for this is 9.7. Alright folks, there you have it. The top 6 washer and dryer sets that are going to totally revolutionize your laundry game. Let's do a quick recap to help you figure out which one is going to be the perfect fit for your needs. First up, we've got the Electrolux Smartboost front load washer and dryer. It's perfect for eco-conscious and tech-savvy families with its intuitive settings, eco-friendly options, and quick 15-minute wash cycle. Efficiency and environmental mindfulness? Check and check. Next, there's the LG WashTower Laundry Center, a real space saver with some seriously innovative features. Its central control panel and AI fabric sensors make it a smart choice for apartments and smaller homes where space and convenience are key. Then, we've got the GE UltraFresh Vent System Washer and Dryer, the answer to musty front loaders. With its vent system and microban technology, it's perfect for those looking for a fresh, clean, and smart laundry experience. Up next, we've got the Samsung Extra Large Capacity Smart Front Load Washer and Dryer. This one's the powerhouse for large families or heavy-duty washing. Its large capacity and smart features make it ideal for those with a lot of laundry and a need for efficiency. And last but certainly not least, we've got the LG WM4000H washer and LG DLX4000 dryer. This duo is a top performer in stain removal and fabric care, perfect for those looking for a mix of performance, efficiency, and smart features. Each of these models brings something unique to the table, so think about your specific laundry needs, space constraints, and the features you value most. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful reviews and guides. Until next time, keep your laundry fresh and your choices smarter.